It's the hottest dish in the streets. It's what everyone's talking about on Facebook.
Twitters and Facebooks and all that stuff.
It's time for Big Tigger's Trending Topics on V103.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time for the Trending Topics. This particular edition just happens to be a Law and Order edition. So, remember the dude that's not gay no more? He's delivered. Also a liar. Kordell Stewart stopped by my show to talk about how he had never, ever been with a man. Turned out, he's suing now. Kordell Stewart sued reality show cast member Andrew Caldwell, who made the statements, later retracted, indicating they'd had a relationship, filed at the Cobb County Superior Court. Also names, quote, the Gospel Truth creator and producer Jarius Kenyon Moon and Catalyst Next, LLC, which controls the internet morning show The Shake Up, where Caldwell made the statements claiming he and Stewart had a relationship. Quote, the false and defamatory rumors that Mr. Caldwell and defendant Moon agreed to publish are centered around Mr. Stewart having an extramarital sexual relationship with Mr. Caldwell. And that just ain't true. Although they are well aware Mr. Caldwell has admitted that he lied on the shake-up, defendant Catalyst Next continues to proudly share and broadcast the interview on their website online, although they know the statements concerning Mr. Stewart are false. As a result, the defendant's continuous intentional and malicious conduct, Mr. Stewart has been subject to public embarrassment and ridicule as the statements have operated to impair his career, damage his reputation, and cause acute anguish to him and his family. That's why that particular morning show and website also in the lawsuit. Story developing. Next up in our Law and Order edition, Suge Knight pled not guilty, but got a warning. Former rap mogul and comedian Cat Williams pled not guilty Tuesday to robbery charges filed against him after the celebrity photographer accused them of taking her camera last year. L.A. Superior Court Judge Cohen admonished Knight because he held up a sign conveying a happy birthday message to his son for the cameras during his last court appearance about 2 weeks ago. Quote, if he does it again, I'll shackle his hands to a chair. Wow. Knight remains jailed on $10 million bail in a separate murder case filed after he ran over two men outside a Compton burger stand in January. He's pled not guilty and already been ordered to stand trial in that case. No trial date has been set. This judge set a December 11th court hearing to get an update on the case. The next hearing in the robbery case scheduled for November 30th. No trial date has yet been set. Suge facing life imprisonment courtesy of California's 3-strike rule should he be convicted of any felony again. And last but not least in our Law and Order edition, rapper DMX was arrested again. My God. Earl Simmons arrested at his home Tuesday on a July contempt of court charge for allegedly failing to pay the $10,000 a month in child support to his ex-wife and their 4 children. Child support was ordered in 2014. DMX said, quote, all I have is my name and my reputation, dog. The only way I can make a living is to be out here being a dog. That's what he said. The judge was clearly torn, pausing for several moments before saying that he would take a chance and release DMX without bail. His next scheduled appearance, November 18th. The judge said he expects to see him back here on the 18th to resolve this case in its totality. Quote, things will not go well for you if you don't make it. So, I expect the dog to be in court. It's going to do it for the Trending Topics Law and Order edition. Mr. DeBar, head on over to v-103.com where you can not only listen to it in its entirety, you can also see my face. Big Tigger back with more next on V103, dog!